If I had to be honest, I was riding a little dirty in my $500 Camry. So it's time to change that with the exterior detail. All of these swirls in the paint need to be dealt with, along with the dirt from the previous owner's adventures. Never been off-road, huh? With the amount of oil in this engine bay, you can power a small lawnmower. So after giving the exterior a good wash, I'm going to move on to this oily, filthy engine bay. With the engine bay absolutely transformed, all the exterior surfaces clean, and the tires shined, it's time to address these scratches while also restoring the shine back into the clear coat. The plan is to do a one-stage paint correction using a microfiber pad. This compound and pad combination is working great. Check out what it's about to do to this white scratch. And just like that, it's completely gone. Even though it's a low mileage car, it is about 28 years old, so there's quite a bit of rock chips in this hood, which isn't going to come out anytime soon, but it did make the water spots disappear. As you can tell by the lighting, it's getting late, but I'll pick it up in the morning. Typically, if you have black door handles like this, or any other black trim for that matter, you want to mask it off with some good tape. That'll prevent the trim from turning white because of the compound. After finishing up a panel, I blow out the pad with compressed air. That ensures that the extra compound, the gunk, and the debris is removed before applying fresh compound. Man, that fender came out looking nice. For all of these bigger panels, I'm using a 6-inch dual action polisher. But when we move on to the tighter areas, you'll see my new secret weapon.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Off the jams. ask that you click that like button and comment something below to help this video reach more people. And thanks for watching.